Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Claude Code on Ubuntu operating system. So let's open the terminal. Now here, so first let's increase the size, and there first we need in my system curl must be there. So if I write this place curl minus minus version, then you can see this is the curl that already installed. Let's check here git. So Git is already installed and Node should be there, Node version and npm should be there. And Java and Python should be installed there. Now after this all here, you need to use this command. So with the help of curl, that's going to install this Claude code. So copying and let's paste there. And now let's press enter. So curl, then this is the side and base. See this here, this all that's come there. So our Claude code successfully installed, and this is the version. Location of the Claude is there. Dot local and bin, and this all. Thereafter, if I write there Claude minus minus version, you can see okay we are let's give there Claude minus v. This is not finding there, so here we need to run this one. Okay, let's copy and paste it there. So this is now that's here returning the version or 2.17. And if I write minus minus version, this also working. Let's use the create command. Thereafter, the next is let's create here one directory mkdir, then give their directory name project A. Thereafter, let's write their Claude. So this here, this is now coming first option that's selecting there. So here you can Claude account with subscription. Second is Anthropic console account. Third is Microsoft. So here or this all that's coming there. Let's press enter to go back. First option that's selecting there. So automatically the browser that's open. From this place, so here let's click on this accept. From this place you can do here login with the Claude account or Google. So selecting the Google, then or give their username and the password, then start using the Claude code inside there. So this is how we can install this Claude code on this Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.